Good afternoon. This is Tom Aspray with the Viper Report. It's Monday, June 7th, and a really mixed session so far today. It's about 2:30, so we have about an hour and a half left in the trading session. You can see at this point the Dow is down 149 points and the S&P is down 10, yet the Russell 2000 small caps looking pretty good. It's up 1.3%. Market internals are slightly positive, 1,818 up and 1,481 declining at this point. Since May 28th, that was a Friday, the AD lines have been powering to the upside, even though the market averages have not. That's been a very bullish development, and as I've been stressing in my past articles and for our clients in both the Viper ETF and Hot Stocks report, suggesting we will eventually break out of this trading range, with targets somewhere in the 438 to 440 area. In last weekend's article or contribution to Forbes.com, I posed the question, is the stock market healthy or not? There's a link in the email to the article, and so you can read that and look at the evidence. In the past couple of weeks, there's been more commentary from traditional Wall Street strategists that they're getting more negative or more worried about the market. Inflation, interest rates rising are their main concerns. This is pointed out in this weekend article in Bloomberg. The average bull is worried. They make the point that you can see that the S&P 500 is stuck in this range, but AMC and GameStop are going through the roof, and they think that's not a healthy scenario. And we saw this early in the year, of course, and it caused some brief volatility, but nothing that lasted. And the way the AD lines are looking now, they've made further new highs since May 28th. They're chugging ahead. Here's an updated chart from this morning's Viper Hot Stocks. You can see that we gapped higher on Friday. AD line on the S&P 500 has moved to further new highs with last Friday's close. I've been also watching the IWM and the Russell small cap. You can see this flag formation lines A and B. As many of you know, they're one of my favorite formations. We closed right on the downtrend here. We're above it given the positive action today. You can see the AD line has already broken out to the upside. We get the CPI report on Thursday. Some are thinking the market's going to go back, test those highs, and collapse. Core CPI is expected to come in at 0.5%. It was at 0.9% last month. That really shook up the market. Those sort of relationships are rarely that simple. History does repeat itself, but usually not month to month. That's in my experience anyway. On the website today, we posted the current positions for both the Viper ETF and the Hot Stocks report. Goes through all the current positions as of where they stood as of last Friday's close. We had some positions in both publications this morning. A lot of them we've been holding for a while. XME, etc., and XLP goes way back. The IWD, the value, almost at 28%. We took a trading profit about a week or so ago in that. But here's what we're looking at. This is a table in every issue, and if that's something that interests you and you're not in some of these markets, we have some pretty tight stops on them. Some of them, the U.S. global jets, not really crazy about the way it's acting, so it's trading at 26.39. We have a 50% stop in that now. So we're long both the SPY and the Russell, looking for an opportunity to add. And then we got a bunch of stock positions. We sold out half our position in American Airlines. We were in at 22.47. We sold half at 25.42 for a 13% profit since the 17th of May. We're holding the other half. We've had a great run in Devon Energy. This is about the fourth trade we've had in it. It's right up 26% so far. We sold half last week, and new positions will be added to this after today's session. So if you want to subscribe, you can either click on the links here. We'll take you to the sign-up page through PayPal, $34.95 a month, at least 2 issues each week, plus weekend reports, and it's all done by PayPal. You sign up your information, and you're automatically added to the list, and you can ask questions. You also get 5 trading lessons or the stock report. The Viper Hot Stocks report is a little different because occasionally we'll make recommendations in between reports and also recommend people take profits or buy during the day. So new reports are alerted to you by those who follow me on Twitter, and I'd suggest you do that if you'd like some more information. Understanding weekly doji candlestick signals is one of the most popular, and the YouTube video has over 4,000 views. If you want to become a subscriber to, well, that's all I got for today. I hope you'll take a time to look at theviperreport.com. I think you'll find some information that can help you better understand the financial markets. Thank you for tuning in.